Okay, take a look at the Alloyman 480 foot-pound cordless impact wrench. So it actually comes with a very nice case. A lot of these cases like this are not labeled, so it's nice being able to see what's actually inside the thing. We got our instructions, and we got the wrench. So the first thing I noticed is it has a rubber material going all the way around, so this feels really nice in the hand. You can also see this is a brushless tool, which is excellent because that means it's going to be using less battery, it's going to have more power, and the motor is going to last longer because it's not going to have those brushes that are going to be constantly running. So brushless is the only way to go. It looks like we do have a light on the front. We got our forward and reverse, and it actually has a metal head on it, which is something you don't normally see anymore. This is a full-on half-inch anvil, and it is a hog ring that is also compatible with pin and O-ring sockets. So you can stick a socket on there, throw a pin through it, put an O-ring around it. You do not have to worry about that socket coming off. So very nice having that, especially with an impact. We got our charger. It has a two-prong plug. It has two contacts on it, and it has slots so we can screw this thing directly to a wall. And it says this outputs 1200 milliamps at 21.5 volts. We got our battery, and this is one of the really nice things about this tool. This actually comes with a 4 amp hour battery. So nice big battery. It is a standard clip style. We got a port right there, so if we want to charge it using that, we can do that. It has two contacts, and each contact has two contact points on it. So very nice seeing that. Also have an indicator on the front, and it comes fully charged. So that is awesome. Oh, that's nice. Cool. So looking on the bottom, we can see we are in medium. We also have high and low. So here's low, here's medium, and here's high. Now the cool thing about this is if we put that in reverse, it actually has a brake on it. So what that means is if we have to loosen up a nut and we're impacting the heck out of it and then it breaks free, we don't have to worry about this thing driving into our chest. So as soon as it stops impacting, it's going to stop moving. So very nice having that. If we want to just keep going, we put it in low. Now I'll keep running as long as we pull the trigger. And same for medium. So it's only in high that it's going to have that brake. Very cool. Oh, that's nice. So this actually comes with a handful of sockets. It says it is chrome vanadium and is a 21 millimeter, and it already has an O-ring with a pin on it. It is a 6-point, and if you look, you can see it is also drilled out on the corner, so that's going to be good for off-corner loading. So you got 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So all the most common sizes for lug nuts, which is great. And they all got an O-ring. I've got an extra one right here. So if you want to use that, all you have to do is line up those holes, and we can pull the O-ring down, drop in the pin, and then the O-ring will hold it in place. And with that, we don't have to worry about that socket coming off. So very cool that we got that. And the last thing we got in here, they really gave us everything. So we got a nice long extension, and then we got two shorter ones. So we got a 5-inch, 3-inch, and a 10-inch. And these are also knurled here on the tip, so if you want to drive in a socket, we actually got something we can grab onto. Nice. That was quick and easy. Sweet. That is an awesome tool.